Welcome to Running Deer Outdoor Adventures. I'm Zach, and guess where we are today? We are at Council Cup Campground just above the waterfalls. We're taking a 3-day family trip. We got the boys. The other two will be here shortly. The baby's hanging out. Stay tuned. So, we kind of got rained out. Cranky baby. So, no fishing yet. No gathering of anything, but we're making coffee, so that's a plus. So last night was a cold night, about 48, but everybody's through it. Kenley slept in her tent all night, so that's a plus. As you can hear, the baby's cranky in the background. Got plenty of adventures planned today. Getting breakfast ready. Kids are off playing in the creek. Look! Dinky on video. Look!
Hello!
There's a hammock. I know, this is fun, huh?
We're going out camping. We're in the hammock today. Just got done with breakfast.
Where you going, Stinky?
My daddy went to go fishing. He just got back.
Whatever, even though we're off cliff. Don't remember from last time? Yeah. Oh, okay.
Dad, can I show him how the water is today?
Yeah, go ahead. Tell him about the water, buddy.
I know it's waterproof. Yeah, it looks a good guy. Like, it's a waterproof camera.
Lainey! You want to tell them where we are?
What?
You want to tell them where we are?
Yeah.
Where are we at?
Yeah, I'm at the waterfall.
We're at Council Cup?
Council Cup.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. Because one fell down over there.
Do you remember what kind they are?
What?
Do you remember what kind they are?
Trout.
What kind? Palomino?
Palomino.
Well, everybody's heading to bed. Just chilling out by the fire. Very adventurous camping weekend. Be a great video, hopefully, if I can make it work. A lot of randomness involved, but that's part of the camping with kids. So, we're Running Deer Outdoor Adventures, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And if you want to see something different, comment down below. We'll catch you guys later.